Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your Disney Plus payment method, billing update step by step clearly. First, make sure your phone, tablet, or computer is connected to the internet. Open your web browser and go to disneyplus.com. Click login and sign in with the email and password you use for Disney Plus. If you use a TV app, do this process on a browser instead because billing is easier to manage there. After you sign in, look for your profile icon in the top right corner. Click the profile icon to open the account menu. Select account from the menu to enter your account settings page. On the account page, find the section called subscription. Click your subscription details to open the billing and plan information. Look for payment method or billing details on the same page. Click the option that lets you update or change your payment method. If you do not see a direct edit button, check for a manage subscription link. If your subscription is billed through Apple, Google, Roku, Amazon, or your mobile provider, you must update payment inside that provider's settings. If Disney Plus shows that it is billed directly, continue with the next step on the Disney Plus site. Choose the new payment type you want to use, such as a credit or debit card. Carefully enter the card number exactly as it appears on your card. Enter the expiration date and the CVV security code from your card. Type the billing name and billing address that matches your bank records. Double-check every field to avoid failed payments due to a typo. Click Save, Update, or Submit to confirm the new payment method. Wait for the confirmation message that your billing information has been updated. If you are asked to verify with your bank, complete the verification prompt on screen. Go back to the account page and review the payment method section again. Make sure the last 4 digits shown match the new card you added. If you want to remove an old card, look for a remove or if your update fails, try a different browser or clear your browser cache and retry. If it still does not work, contact Disney Plus help from the help center and provide the exact error message. Keep your email inbox ready because Disney Plus may send a billing confirmation email. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.